Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own trending anime video effects on CapCut. So there are two ways you can create your anime video. So the first one is you can just create on your own by clicking on new project and choose the photo that you want. Okay, for example this one, and then make a copy of it. Click on the photo and then click on copy, and then at the second video click on style, and here there are so many anime effects that you can choose. For example, the first one is Japan anime, and it will change accordingly. You can just choose which one that you want to add. For example, this one. Okay, so there are three of them. I'm going to just use the first one right here. So you can add transition to make like a before and after videos. So for example, I'm going to just add a black fade like this. So here is the before and here is the after. Or you can just make it easier by going to template, and then here at the search column just type in anime like this. Click on a search column, and then there are so many anime templates that you can choose and also use, and this one only you only need to add one photo. So I'm going to try one of them. So I'm going to try this one, trend anime, and then click on use template and then choose the photo. I'm going to just choose a photo first. For example, okay, this one's right here, and then click on preview, and then after that the effects will be loading, and you can just wait until it's create the video, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful for you. Don't forget to click on the thanks below, leave a comment, subscribe, and also like this video. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.